everyone, today I'm going to show how to make grilled spicy lemongrass chicken. For the ingredient I have some chopped garlic, salt, sugar cane, chili paste, 2 chicken drumstick, 1 piece of chicken tender, fish sauce, lemongrass, and black pepper. Okay, and right now I'm going to pound the lemongrass. Okay, right now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. And then add about 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Add some black pepper. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the chicken a little bit like this. Okay, right now I put the chicken inside the bowl and mix it for 10 minutes. Right now I'm going to cover the chicken with the plastic wrap and refrigerate at least 1 hour or up to overnight. Okay, right now it's time to cook the spicy lemongrass chicken after I marinated overnight. Okay, and right now I'm going to cook inside the oven about 40 minutes. Okay, right now it's already 40 minutes, so the chicken is completely cooked. For the recipe of grilled spicy lemongrass chicken, you can serve with steamed rice or mixed salad. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.